Our news center has been informed that at least 13 people have been charged following yesterday's raid on the Qahal Yahweh religious compound in Norwood, St. James. Head of the St. James Police Senior Superintendent Vernon Ellis told us the individuals were charged for breaches of the Child Care and Protection Act. He said other individuals will be charged later today. Members of the security forces raided the compound on Friday following allegation of abuse. 24 people, including the pastor, were arrested yesterday. 15 women were among the detainees. The detainees are also facing assault charges following allegations that some members were physically assaulted. Charges are also to be laid for breaches of the Marriage Act.